Hi there, I'm Birgit O'Connor, and welcome to my studio. I'm so excited that you're going to be joining me in this workshop, Painting Snow. It really is quite simple, and the results are amazing. You can easily create a bunch of cards or little Christmas paintings, anything you like. And what's really interesting about this is that you're also learning how you can easily work with white. Meaning, we're using the white of the paper to create our snow, and that would be the same idea as if we were painting a white flower. So, all these techniques that we do, whether or not it's a landscape or a floral, they really cross over. Our focus is going to be on the two main projects up here, and it's really going to be simple. Now, if you like, you can go ahead and use the line drawing that I provided, or you can even create your own composition and just apply the techniques. And to access the workshop, I'll be sending you a link, or you can find it within the workshop module. Then when we're done, you can always find the replay in that same section. So go ahead and gather your materials, and I look forward to painting with you soon.